A complete computer guide. Today, I'm here with the solutions to questions from the chapter File Handling in QBASIC. If you haven't watched the previous exercise solution videos yet, go to YouTube and search for KD Production. Open the playlists on that channel and look for the Computer Planet playlist. There you'll find all the previous exercise solution videos. Hey everyone, welcome to KD Production. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more computer-related contents. A complete computer guide. Thank you for watching.